for answer, go draw a platypus.
Yeah, well, a platypus is kind of a crazy creature, isn't it?
Yeah.
What does it have for its mouth?
A beak.
Yeah, a beak or a bill, kind of like a duck. And then they also have webbed feet like a duck too, but also claws.
Yeah.
They're crazy. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers. You also need some
paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first going to start by drawing our platypus's bill. And we're going to draw the letter U right here in the middle of our paper. Yes, that's a big bill. I love it. And then we're going to draw the top of the bill. We're going to draw a curve that comes up and down.
Yay.
Yeah, I really like how tall it is. And we're going to draw the nostrils on the bill are down here at the bottom, kind of towards the bottom. Yeah, and then you could draw two big nostrils. I love it. We're going to draw another shape on top of the bill. We're going to come up and back down. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and the same size circle on the right. And then let's draw a smaller circle inside for the highlight. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, now let's draw the body. We're going to draw a big upside down U shape. We're going to start here on the left, and we're going to come up like this, and we're going to come around, and then we're going to come back down. There you go, and down. And then at the very bottom, you could go a little bit further on each side so that we have room for the body. Yeah. Oh, I like that you gave yourself guide points. Then we're going to draw the bottom of our little platypus's body and connect over here on this side. Now let's draw the webbed feet. We're going to draw a line that comes out like this. And then we're going to leave a little space and draw another line that comes out that matches. So you could start there. Yep. And then in between, we're going to draw a wiggly line for the toes. Yes. And then we're going to do that same thing on the other side. We'll add two lines that match. And then we'll draw a wiggly line in between for the webbed foot. Yes. Now let's draw the webbed hands. And we're going to do the same thing, but we'll draw up here inside the body. We're going to draw two lines together. And then we can draw a wiggly line in between to connect them. Yeah, and then let's draw the same two lines over here and wiggly line to connect. We're almost done. We're missing one last thing.
The tail.
The tail. Let's start here. We're going to draw a big curve that comes out. We're going to curve around and then back in. Yes, we did it. We finished drawing our platypus, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward. So remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our platypus, and yours turned out so perfect. It's always my favorite. Look how cute it is with those pink cheeks. And you also added a bow.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Thanks. I just used two colors, brown and gray, for the beak and also the arms, or the hands, and also the feet.
But you can color any way you want.
Yeah, and you could also even add a background. What do platypus like to do?
Swimming?
Yes, they like to swim. They do a lot of swimming. You could draw a background with lots of water. Or maybe your platypus is underwater.
We hope you have fun drawing a platypus with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.